Hi, this is John from NYC. Today we're doing another unboxing. Just ordered this from Amazon. I didn't get to delete the scratch out my information, so I'm gonna open it backwards. So what I ordered on Amazon is Stanley's 2-bowl cook set. And let's open this thing. Okay. Didn't need a knife. Okay. Once you open the box, package like so. Okay, this plastic pad on the top, just make sure you be careful with it when you cook. You don't want to melt this thing off. Okay, this is a plate. Okay, this is 2 plate, and this. Okay. It fits in there. See the hole. So what this is, here's a little spatula when you cook, and use the opposite, scoop the soup or fluid, and so on and so forth. By the way, this was about close to $40, but when I bought ordered online on Amazon, it was on sale, so I got it for just a little over $30 after tax. So once you finish using it, after you wash it, you can store it like so. And it doesn't go anywhere. It clicks in the back. Also, this plate can also use it as cover to the bowl. Also, for what I'm hearing is that you can use this portion by itself, this side, not the inside, but outer part, as cutting board. I'm not too sure about that part at this time, but oh well. Here's a 2 decent sized bowl and pot is made with the stainless steel, and it can hold up to 40 ounce, which is 1200 milliliter, 1.2 liter. And this, once you are done, store it like so. So you can lock everything in place so you won't go anywhere. That's one thing great about the Stanleys. Also, something happened to this pot. What's great about this thing is, this is lifetime guarantee. If something happened, you can call the Stanley, and I think you could get the exchange for a new one. Here goes. Built for lifetime warranty, right there. So this is another great thing. So when you go out, I don't think you're gonna need everything at once. This is a big enough size. You could put a bowl. I don't know how much of this you're gonna need it when you go out for camping or trekking. Not sure. But you're gonna need one bowl if you're just by yourself, and one lid. And I think it's big enough to hold on another. You could put an alcohol stove in there in a mesh bag or something, or a small ultralight stove. Or if you don't need any of the bowls, pretty much this and lid, you could put your whole cooking system, including the isobutane canister. I don't think you could put a large canister, but small one with the ultralight gas stove. So I think this is pretty cool. Instead of the adventurous cook set, which is skinny but tall one, but this is wide, plenty wide enough so you could put it into any alcohol stove. You'll stand just fine. And this, I think this is pretty good. So, by the way, this is my personal preference, but average ramen, the I can't say like Japanese or American ramen. I don't know how much water you need to cook with, but average Korean ramen need about 500 milliliter to 550 milliliter to cook. So you can safely cook 2 ramen in here safely. So I think that's a great deal on this part. Like so, and so, and this thing is, I think this thing is it locked? I think you're supposed to slide this part here, lock. So, but upside down, still great. And if you cook something, you need to drain some water out. There's plenty of holes to drain the water out. So what I think for about just about $30, I think this is a great buy. Anyway, this concludes the review for this rather unboxing today. I'm thinking about I will use this to cook a ramen one of these days. I will show you how it works in the near future. I will try to put that as my next video. Cooking this with ramen. I'll probably cook Korean ramen using an alcohol stove, just to show you guys. I think this thing works pretty well. Anyway, if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That would be really awesome. Okay, till next time.